What's up everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone camera not focusing. Many iPhone users have reported that the camera app does not focus properly on any object they are trying to capture with their iPhone. They could be problematic to many iPhone users since nowadays we need a camera app for opening a link, scanning a barcode to access certain things. So let me show you how you can fix this if your camera app is not focusing. So the first step is reinstall the application. If the problem happens only when your app like Snapchat, WhatsApp, you might need to uninstall the app and then reinstall it. To reinstall the app, you can just hold on to the app and then click on remove app, then click on delete app. After this, you can go back to your app store and install the app again to see if the problem is resolved. So if the problem is still there, then the next step is force close the camera app and relaunch it. You can open the app switcher, then just simply swipe up to close the application and then open the camera app to see if it start focusing. And if it's still not working, then the next step is try switching camera lenses. You can switch the camera lens. Simply open your iPhone camera app and then you can adjust the link by zooming it in or out. Then move on to the next step. The next step is reset all setting on your iPhone. Resetting all setting on your iPhone will remove the Wi-Fi password, APN and VPN setting. So before doing this, make sure that you know the Wi-Fi password. To do this, go to settings, click on general, scroll down, click on transfer reset, click on reset, reset all setting. You won't lose any of your personal data, but it can fix your problem. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.